Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best white sewing thread is probably one of the most essential tools in any sewing kit, whether you're a seasoned seamstress or just starting out. Today, we're diving deep into the world of white thread, exploring its versatility and why it's a must-have for various projects. From delicate hand-sewn details to sturdy repairs, the right white thread can make all the difference, so let's find out which one is the best for you. Number 5. ARTIKA 94 PCS Sewing Kit. This sewing kit has everything you need for basic repairs and more. It's perfect for home or travel, with a variety of threads, needles, and essential tools. It makes sewing easy. The kit is designed for convenience, with an elastic grip area and strong thread. The scissors are easy to use, and even beginners can achieve great results. It offers greater strength in every stitch. The needles are kept safely in a separate box, and other items are secured with elastic straps. The compact design makes it ideal for travel, fitting easily in a desk, suitcase, or backpack. It is small enough to take up little space. Use the kit to sew clothes, toys, or create DIY projects with your kids. It's easy to replace buttons, fix seams, or mend hems. The kit is easy to organize and convenient to use. This sewing kit is a great gift for anyone, from beginners to experienced crafters. It's ideal for mothers, students, travelers, and anyone who enjoys sewing. They will love it. What we like? This kit has everything you need to get started, making it perfect for beginners. It's also compact and organized, so you can easily take it with you on the go. If you're looking for a convenient and comprehensive sewing solution, you should consider this. What people say. The thread is strong and doesn't break easily. It's a good quality thread for hand sewing. The thread is easy to work with. Number 4. Coats & Clark Dual Duty Thread and Needles. This is a set of Coats & Clark all-purpose thread. It includes one black and one white spool, each with 400 yards of thread. It's perfect for a variety of sewing projects. This thread is designed to create excellent stitches and seams. It won't pull or break while you are sewing. You can rely on it for your sewing needs. Made of 100% polyester, this thread is strong and durable. It's suitable for use on all types of fabrics. It is a versatile choice for any project. This thread is versatile and can be used for both hand and machine sewing. It's a great choice for all your sewing projects. It provides flexibility for your work. The set also includes 25 assorted hand needles. They have sharp points and large eyes for easy threading. They come in 5 different sizes to meet your needs. What we like? This thread is designed for both hand and machine sewing, offering versatility for all your projects. The included hand needles make it easy to get started right away. If you are looking for a reliable thread with included needles for various fabrics, you should consider this. What people say. I like how smooth and silky this thread is. It's also very strong. Coats & Clark is excellent to use on a sewing machine or when you're sewing by hand. Good quality. Number 3. Juning Sewing Kit, Portable Sewing Supplies. This sewing kit includes all the necessary accessories for basic repairs. It comes with needles, threads, scissors, and more. It's perfect for quick fixes at home or on the go. Please note that the zipper style might vary slightly from the image. You might receive a version similar to the image or the one shown in the video. Either way, it's fully functional. The kit's smart design keeps everything organized. Straps hold the spools and tools securely. You can easily find what you need without losing anything. It's designed for convenience, making it easy to carry. Use it to repair your pet's clothes or your kids' toys. You'll enjoy the satisfaction of DIY projects. This kit is a great gift for all ages. It's a thoughtful present for your mom, grandma, or friends. It's perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. What we like? The compact design makes it easy to carry around, and the organized layout ensures you can find what you need quickly. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys sewing or needs to make quick repairs. If you like a portable and well-organized sewing kit, you should consider this. What people say. The thread is strong and doesn't break easily. The thread is a good weight for hand sewing. This thread is perfect for hand sewing projects. Number 2. Singer 60100 White All-Purpose Polyester Thread. Introducing the Singer All-Purpose Thread. This thread is perfect for all your sewing needs, whether by hand or machine. It's a versatile choice for various projects. Made from 100% polyester, this thread is both strong and flexible. This makes it ideal for most fabrics, especially clothing. It ensures durability and ease of use. Each spool contains 150 yards of this all-purpose thread. It provides ample length for numerous sewing projects. You'll have plenty to complete your tasks. This thread is suitable for a wide range of fabrics. Its versatility makes it a great choice for both beginners and experienced sewers. It's a reliable option for any project. Use this thread for both hand and machine sewing. It's designed to perform well in both applications. It offers convenience and flexibility in your sewing endeavors. What we like. Made from 100% polyester, this thread is strong and flexible, making it suitable for most fabrics, especially clothing. It's perfect for both hand and machine sewing. If you are looking for a versatile and reliable thread for your sewing projects, you should consider this. What people say. The thread is strong and doesn't break easily. It works great for hand sewing projects. The thread is a good weight for most hand sewing projects. Number 1. Gutermann 25049 Cotton Thread, 876 yards, white. Introducing Gutermann 25049, a natural cotton thread. It's perfect for those who prefer to sew with cotton, offering both fineness and strength. This thread is made of 100% mercerized cotton. It has a silky finish, making it a great choice for various sewing projects. Despite its fineness, this thread is incredibly strong. It's designed to withstand the demands of both hand and machine sewing. This all-purpose thread is versatile. It's suitable for a wide range of sewing tasks, providing excellent results every time. This high-quality thread is made in Greece. It's a testament to the craftsmanship and attention to detail. What we like. This thread is made from 100% mercerized cotton, providing a fine yet strong thread with a silky finish. It's suitable for both hand and machine sewing. If you like the feel of cotton and want a thread with a luxurious finish, you should consider this. What people say. The thread is strong and doesn't break easily. It works well for various hand sewing projects. The thread is a good weight for general sewing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.